Thank you for joining me and welcome to this tutorial on bridge rectifiers. My name is Peter Musyoka, a trainer at Madenge Technical Training Institute. Our learning objectives are 1. To explore the functions of full wave bridge rectifier, identify the components and the arrangements, and also to describe the output characteristics of a bridge rectifier. So a bridge rectifier is a circuit that converts both half cycles of an AC input into pulsating DC. It uses 4 diodes arranged in a bridge configuration, and also it is more efficient compared to half-wave rectifier. Displayed is the circuit diagram with an input signal to be rectified. We have 4 diodes, diode D1 all the way to D4, and a load resistor RL. Output is usually collected or seen across the load resistor. Both the positive and negative half cycles of our input AC signal are produced at the output. The 4 diodes direct current, so load sees unidirectional flow during both half cycles. From our source, the upper side during the positive half cycle towards A will acquire a positive potential that forward biases diode D1, while a negative potential is seen on the lower side, and therefore diode D3 will as well be forward biased. And that means during the positive half cycle, diode D1 and D3 are forward biased. And therefore, current will be able to flow through point A through diode D1 to point B through the load through D3 to point C and back, creating a complete loop. During the negative half cycle, again, the lower side of our source will be positive, the upper side will be negative. The positive potential on the lower side towards C forward biases diode D1, while the negative potential towards A forward biases diode D4. Diode D2 and D4 are forward biased. Now, current will flow to point C through diode D2 through the load RL back to point D through diode D4 to point A and back to the source, resulting to a complete loop. What we have seen is that both positive and negative half cycle produce an output voltage across the load, and the direction of current is unidirectional or is in the same direction, and that's why the output is seen to be positive in both occasions. We have pulsating DC waveform for both half cycles, and also the output is smoother compared to the half wave output. Bridge rectifier has better efficiency, lower ripples, no need for center tap transformer. However, it uses more components and has slightly higher voltage drop. It is used in DC power supplies. A power supply is that electronic circuit that converts AC signal to DC signal. It's used in battery chargers and adapters. We have a mastery check quiz. How many diodes are there in a bridge rectifier? And secondly, what is one advantage of a bridge rectifier over half-wave rectifier? See you.